In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly add a professional or personal signature to your Zoho Mail messages. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. First, log into Zoho Mail at mailzoho.com. Open the new mail window to access the email editor. Look for the cursive line icon in the toolbar. This represents your signature options. Click it to see existing signatures or to add a new one. If you are creating a new signature, include details like your name, job title, and contact info. Once set, select your signature and it will automatically appear at the bottom of your email, giving every message a polished, professional finish. That's it. Adding a signature saves time, keeps your emails consistent, and makes your communication look professional.